Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Realme's smartphone Realme 6i India. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phone. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the phone. The phone has network mode GSM, SSPA, LTE, and the phone has memory space of 64GB with 4GB of RAM and 64GB with 6GB of RAM. The phone is coming in two colors, and the two colors are Epic Black and Lunar White. The USB has Type-C 2.0 USB on the go. Display has IPS LCD. Display size is 6.5 inches and 84.1% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.38 into 2.94 into 0.35 inches and weight 191 gram. The phone has Android 10 operating system and chipset Mediatek MT6785 Helio G80T, and the CPU is getting octa-core 2 into 2.05 GHz Cortex A76 and 6 into 2.0 GHz Cortex A55. You get the sensor in the phone are fingerprint side mounted, and accelerometer, proximity, compass, gyro, and battery is lithium polymer 4300 mAh non-removable with capacity of fast charging 30 watt. As an alloys, the phone has dual SIM dual standby facility, but the SIM must be nano. There is a loudspeaker for sound and 3.5 mm jack for audio output. You get the main camera quad, 48 megapixel flash 1.8 225mm wide, and second on 8 megapixel flash 2.3 16mm ultra wide, third on 2 megapixel flash 2.4 macro, and fourth on 2 megapixel flash 2.4 depth. Video time facility at a maximum of 4K 30 frame rate per second. and get a selfie camera single 16 megapixel flash 2.0. So friends, this was the official specifications of today's Realme 6i India model. Those who like to use high range of smartphone and want to buy a good phone from Realme can take it without any hesitation. In next video, I will definitely come up with the unboxing of set. Then stay healthy, stay safe. Goodbye.